What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Give you a quick walk around on my 2008 Honda CBR 600 R. I'm gonna teach you guys how to ride this motorcycle. First up first, gotta learn the controls. Here's the key to turn it on. Your starter. This is going to be your kill switch. Front brake. Rear brake. Clutch. High beam. Turn signal. And horn. And this will be your shifter right here. And your kickstand. Always put it down when you want to get off your bike. Always have that muscle memory. So we'll go ahead and start it up. Right now it's in neutral. Now, first gear is one down. So you want to go just one down, halfway up, neutral. Full click up is second. Right now we're going to teach you how to take off. So, let's get our gloves on. Always remember to keep your right hand flat. You want to keep it flat. You don't want to do this because you might end up going. You don't want to do that. So, first things first. Clutch in. One down. You're in first gear. First thing I want you guys to learn is learn the friction zone of your clutch. Like say mine's like right here. So we're rolling, I'm still engaged in the clutch. I'm gonna slowly release and now we're flowing. Practice your turns, low speed turns. Now once you pick up speed, that steering's not gonna matter. You got to start leaning. So let's try that again. Slowly release the clutch. As you feel the bike move, keep engaging the clutch and slowly release it. Now you can get on the throttle. All right. Now that you learned that, we're going to learn how to do it with the gas. So slowly release the clutch, give it a little gas. So let's try that again. Slowly release the clutch while giving it gas. Keep in mind that every time you stop, you want to use both of your brakes. It stabilizes the bike when you push the rear brake. So we're going to teach you how to shift gears. Once you learn how to do that, let's do the... You want to push the clutch in, full click up, you're in second. Do it when you're off the throttle. So it's going to be all in one motion. So clutch in, release. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to comment and subscribe. Thank you.